Yo, what's up guys? It's Mystic, and for this video I'm gonna actually be showing you guys one downloader code that will give you a whole new secret app store that you could get on your Firestick. And also, I know you guys like my secret store video, and it was my most recommended video, so this one is going to show you another secret app store that's going to give you a different option as far as different apps. Alright, so first thing of course you're going to need to do is you're going to have to go to the store. Alright, so you're going to go to the store, you're going to go right here, you're going to type in downloader. Alright, so if you don't already have it, you would need to get this app. Now once you get this app, you're just going to click on it, click download, and it's going to look like this. Now the next step you're going to have to do, of course, is you're going to have to go to your setting icon, or just hold the home button, go to settings, and then you're going to go to My Fire TV, and then you're going to have an about, and click it about like 7 times, and then developer mode will unlock. You click on this, and then you're going to have to go to install unknown apps. You're going to have to turn that on, and then for certain apps, so in this case for downloader, we're going to have to turn it on. So go ahead and click on that, turn that on, boom. That's all you have to do. That's the first steps you got to do. So now you're going to go to downloader. Now once you're here in downloader, this is honestly all you have to do. You don't have to go to any other specific websites. You're just going to go to this website right here, and then once you get here, you're going to type in this code exactly how I got it right here. So just to confirm, 51180. That's all you have to type in. Now when you hit go, it's going to redirect you, so you're going to wait the 5 seconds. Alright, boom. Now when you see the screen, you're going to hit install on it. It's going to download. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to hit done, because we want to get to this screen where we get the option to delete it, because you don't need to take up any unnecessary space on your Fire Stick. So go ahead, delete this, and then you're done. So now you're going to go back, and you're going to go to the same spot you was just at. So I would say go to your settings again, go exactly where you went to My Fire TV, and then when you went to install unknown apps, and then for the app we just downloaded, which is called ABK time, go ahead and turn this on. Okay, so that's going to just save you a few seconds, because you're going to need to do that anyway. So once you do that, that's all the steps you have to do. Now you can actually go ahead and try to access your brand new app. That's going to be, a whole new app store with apps that you cannot get from the regular app store, from Amazon's app store. So you're going to go right here, click on the app. This is what it will look like. And then boom, guys, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different sections, and they even have sections specifically for what you want. So if you want to watch YouTube, sports, if you want a player app just to play movies and everything, all these work. So I could go to top, and as you can see, it has movie apps. So alright, so I'm gonna hit download. Now I'm just show you, so just to show you that it works. Alright, because of course there's a whole bunch of apps. Download it. Alright, now remember when we turned it on so we could download from unknown sources? Boom, this is why. So now your secret app store can download additional apps like this one. So alright, it's done now. So in this one, let's go ahead and hit open just to see it works. Download. Alright, we don't need to do that now, but as you can see, the app works. Alright, so I'm not going to showcase me using the app. Of course, you guys will have to download the app yourself to be able to see how the app works, but because this is only for educational purposes only, you guys can go ahead and download this yourself and try out this app store. And please tell me which app you like the most, and tell me if you want more videos like this, because I definitely have a lot more codes that I can give out. But anyway, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you guys want to see, and I definitely have you guys in the next video. But that's it for this one. Peace.
Things may seem unclear.